welcome back to this training. This is Coach Peace, and in this video training I'm going to show you the tools you need to start your advert. Okay, first of all, a lot of people used to ask me if they need their Facebook tool. No, their Facebook app, sorry. No, you don't need your Facebook application for anything. All right, so we're not going to be making use of our Facebook app. The only thing we're going to use to run adverts from now is our Chrome browser. All right, so I will want you to open your Chrome browser right now, especially if you're using your phone. Okay, you can use your phone to run adverts, you can use your PC, whichever one you have. Don't get scared. Okay, all right, so just go straight to your Chrome browser, open your Chrome browser right now and type web.facebook.com. Alright, that's if you've not logged into your Chrome browser before. Currently, I've actually logged into my Chrome browser. Alright, so I want you to quickly go to your Chrome browser if you have not logged in your Facebook before on Chrome browser. So go there, type web.facebook.com. Okay, so it's going to pop up the option of you logging in. You put in your password, your email, login into your Facebook account using your Chrome browser. Right, so let me just quickly open my Chrome browser. All right, this is what I'm saying: web.facebook.com. okay, so once you click on it, it's going to load. Okay, so this is my Facebook account. It's showing this because I've actually logged into my Facebook on my Chrome browser. Okay, so if you log into your own, this is how yours is going to show as well. All right, I don't want to bore you with this process of opening and all the rest, and I actually use my Chrome browser for a lot of adverts, so that's why it's already logged into my Chrome. Okay, so remember what I said. For the first time, if you're logging into your Chrome browser for the first time, you're going to go to web.facebook.com, follow the process, put in your details, your login details, then it will land you to this page. All right, so after saying that, you close your Chrome browser, okay, and listen, pay attention. All right, so if you've logged into your Chrome browser, congratulations, you're about to start. Okay, let me close this tab now. So you're going to go to another web. It's called business.facebook.com. okay, so after logging into your Chrome browser, just click on the next new tab. Okay, the plus button, this plus button you can see here in your phone. Just click on it and it's going to take you to a new tab. All right, so you type business.facebook.com and click on it, enter. Okay, so it's loading. All right, so this is how yours is going to show. You can see my name here, you can see my picture, you can see all of these things. Now the reason why it's showing different businesses is because I actually have different businesses running on my Facebook. So I'm going to show you how to create your business manager. In this video we'll learn how to create what business manager. So you see this blue icon here, this one, it's written create business. Okay, so I'll click on it. Yeah, that's it. So create your business account in Business Manager. Now a lot of you will be asking me, why are we creating Business Manager? For you to run adverts, you need a business manager. Business manager is what will host your ad account. Okay, so you cannot create an ad account without creating first a business manager. Alright, so let's just quickly, I don't want this video to be too long, let's just quickly go to how to create a business manager. Alright, so here that they wrote Java Market, you're going to choose a name for your business. Now this name showing here is my profile name. That's my Facebook name. You can see my name written here, so yours is going to show here as well. All right, the name of that Facebook account you're using is going to display here. So now, the name of your business manager is not your ad account, is not your page name. Okay, so you can choose any name of your choice. Nobody is going to see it. It's just you and Facebook alone. All right, so which name should I choose? Which name should I choose? Okay, let me say Precious Store. Precious Store. So I'm giving it Precious Store. You can choose another name. I didn't say you must choose Precious Store. I beg. Oh, choose another name. All right. So you're going to put your business email here. I usually advise you use the same email you created your account with. Okay. So we're going to use that email here. For me, I'll use another email. Right. So just use your email here. Is 1 4 at gmail.com. Okay, so let's say this is my email address. I'm just quickly going to submit. All right, once you've entered the name of the store, you've written your email, you just click on submit. All right, so let's click on submit. So check the email correctly, because they're going to send you a notification to confirm your email. Let me choose another email. All right, so this is the email I want to use for this account. So I'll click on submit. Okay, you're allowed to submit. Please, in case you don't understand, I will advise you watch this video over and over again, okay, so that you understand. Now you can see Precious Store has been created. It's so easy, something you can do. Okay, so the next step is for you to go and confirm your email address. Of course, you just click on done. You go to your phone. To what? Confirm your email address. Please, it's very important. Make sure you confirm your email address. Now you can see our pretty store has been created. Okay, so like I said earlier, your business manager is different from your ad account. It's different from your page. This is what will host your ad account. A business manager can have multiple ads account. All right, so this is what will house your ad account. If you can see, look closely, you see that this business manager has no ad account yet. We don't have any page yet. We don't even have any asset yet. So we're going to gradually assign page to this business manager, or probably create one. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I'm going to see you in the next video. In case you have any question in the course of watching this video, please do well to send in your questions to my DM, or you can drop it at the support group. Make sure you tag me, okay, because there are lots of messages in there. So make sure you tag me so that I will know that you actually dropped a message for me. All right, so see you in the next video.